It's Circus Week Prep 2. Yay! So I thought we should go out with a bang for our last week in Prep 2. That's why we've got Circus Week. Lots of fun is coming your way. I've got a unicorn here that's just as a prop. I thought it would be fun. And I've got a pom-pom. Yay! Because it is Circus Week. Now, I wonder if any of you have ever heard of The Greatest Showman. Now, The Greatest Showman is a musical, it's a film, and it's got some fantastic songs. So if you've not seen the film before, or you've not heard of the songs, maybe you should have a little click on the link that I've attached and see if you recognise the songs, and if not, just listen to them and enjoy them. It has been my inspiration for this week. So for Circus Week this week, I thought it would be a fun thing to do to create your own circus by the end of the week. You've got some arts and craft projects so that you can create a circus scene for you to play with. Of course, you can already use some of your toys that you might have at home to create your circus as well. I thought it would also be fun to try and get your families involved. And by the end of the week, you can have a little bit of a family fun day, if that is possible. Now, I have had a go at this with Olive and with Mr. Loudon today, and we had lots of fun playing in the garden, making up our own circus and carnival themed games. And I've got a few other ideas for you later on this week ready to come. So I'm going to hand over now to us in the garden for Circus Week. We're going to play a beanbag game now. I have got on the floor, I've got 3 bowls, and the first one has got 10 points, the next one's 50, and the one furthest away is a little bit smaller and it's 100 points. Thank you, Olive. What we're going to do is put the bean bags into the bowls. Altogether, 50 and 10, 60. Will I get the 100? Right, Mr. Loudon, let's see how you get on. I'm going to give juggling a go. I don't think I'll be very good at it, but it's something that I can practice. That was 2. That wasn't too bad, was it? Shall I try 3? Okay, I'm going to try juggling with 3 bean bags. Who thinks that I'll be able to do it? I think I need a bit more practice. Okay, Mr. Loudon, it's your turn to try juggling now. Oh, that was almost good. Can you juggle, Olive? That was a nice little tap dance instead. Expert balancing act there, Olive. Well done. Prep 2. You've made it. This is your last week in Prep 2. Ah! You've had such a good year. I am so proud of each and every one of you. As this is our last week in Prep 2, I thought it would be fun to share some of this fun and excitement together. I would love it if this week, if you're doing some circus themed activities, maybe you're having a go at practicing on your hula hoop or with some juggling balls or some other circus themed activity. I'd love it if you could send me a photograph or a short video clip, no more than 10 seconds, of you or maybe your family at home joining in with some of the circus themes. If you could get that to me by Wednesday or Thursday, what I will try and do is I will put together a video of all of the fun that you have been having over this week. Prep 2, it has been an absolute pleasure to be with you for the last year. Of course, I will see you in September, and I will see you at Zoom later on this week. And we are going to have lots of fun in our last week together in Prep 2.